Some of them can also become complicated real quick. TopMediai AI takes a much simpler approach. It's a super fun, user-friendly platform that allows you to create complete songs without dealing with a ton of advanced settings or complicated production tools. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a complete song using nothing more than a basic text description. But that's not all. Once you log into TopMediai AI, you'll see that this platform offers much more than basic AI song generation, including cover songs using super fun characters. You can create music videos. You can create singing photos. You can convert audio to MIDI. You can split your stems, and you can create shorts using their music hooks feature. So TopMediai is really an entire collection of AI music and content creation tools. We're not going to explore all those features in this video because today we're focusing primarily on TopMediai's text-to-song generator. And just like Suno, there are two different levels. There's an easy level and a custom level. In Suno, it's simple and advanced, but we are in easy. And if you have just an idea, you can type that in here and you can prompt your song there. If you need ideas, if you have no idea, you come on down here and you can click any of these and you see the prompt changes, and then you can regenerate until you see a prompt that you like or an idea that you like. So we can do Tipsy Jazz Night, and there we go. You could also create this as an instrumental track if you do not want vocals or lyrics with the song. But we are going to stick with lyrics and vocals because we want to hear how good this program sounds. All right, so let's come on down here. And right now it's on auto. You can customize the length if you upgrade, but right now it's on auto length. And then let's go ahead and click generate. And remember, we are creating a Tipsy Jazz Night song, and this is the prompt. And with every click of this generation button, TopMediai will generate 2 songs for you for every 1 click. Okay, and while those are generating, let's just hop over here to custom mode. And this is if you have lyrics. I just wanted to mention that we are in TopMediai version 5.5, which is refined musical taste paired with a deeply captivating vocal performance. And you will hear how sweet these voices sound. Okay, so let's just go to custom. Let me show you what custom is. If you have lyrics, this is where you would paste them. But that's not all. Once you log into TopMediai AI, you'll see that this platform offers much more than basic AI song generation. The other lyrical option is to type in your thought or your idea into lyrics and then optimize it. College kid surviving in the city, and then let's go ahead and optimize. Okay, and it created lyrics for us. But let's say we had no idea at all. We didn't even know what topic to write about. Let's go here to inspired lyrics. So inspired lyrics is very similar to optimize. So optimize, you could put lyrics in here and then it'll make them better. Inspired lyrics, you put your idea like we just did with the college student surviving in the city, and then it will create lyrics for you. And there's a lot to work with here to help you create the best lyrics possible using AI technology. And then in custom mode, you are going to enter your style. Or you can choose one of these default styles on the bottom: pop, hip hop, rock, R&B, bass guitar. And you can do the same thing if you have no idea, inspired, and then optimize your style as well. So lots of options with the AI in the software. Vocal gender, random or male, female. Duration, same as the easy version, which is auto or custom if you upgrade your package. Optional title if you want it, advanced settings. Weirdness and style influence, I generally like to keep these at 50%. I don't like to play around with those. So that's custom. Let me show you real quick before I let you listen to these songs, or let you hear this smooth sound of this jazz track vocal. Let me show you what this is over here. So if you have an idea, if you have a reference audio that you want to import, you can do that here. You can drag it in right there. Or you can record yourself, bring the melodies and beats in your head back to life. I've used this feature so many times and I've created some really, really cool songs just recording a simple melody into the software. So it's very, very cool. Another cool thing is if you have original songs, you can import your original song inside here, and then you can have the AI work its magic and reimagine your own original songs. And you can remix songs. You can make a cover of whatever songs that you complete. You can extend a song, mashup, sample. You can add a vocal to an instrumental, or you can add an instrumental if you just upload a vocal track. And then here is a singer. This is where you can train your own voice and have you singing over your tracks created in TopMediai AI. Or you can choose one of the default singing voices here. But to create a singer, you can online lossless recording, so you can speak or sing directly into the microphone to train your AI voice. You can import local audio, or you can select from library. All right, so let's take a listen. I think we covered everything in this box here. So let's go ahead and take a listen to our vocal track.
Piano leans low with a velvet colored chord. I'm tracing back the night to where your laugh first poured.
So how velvety does that voice sound, huh? Amazing, really amazing. Okay. So that's just an example of one style, one genre voice. I would take advantage of the free plan on TopMedia. Go check this program out for yourself. It definitely competes with the best software out there. Okay, the last thing that we're gonna cover today in this music area is gonna be soundtrack. And this is really neat. You can upload, let me just get rid of this. You can upload a photo or a video, and it will create a soundtrack based on what that image or video looks like. So just here's an example. Let's click this. Okay, did the analysis. Let's go ahead. And it called it Blue Day Smiles. Let's generate. And you can make it instrumental if you'd like. Okay, very nice. We got our song. Let's click it.
Grace, reflect. Yeah, just a quiet afternoon. Caught a glimpse of sky today, wrapped around you in a subtle way.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Okay, sweet. And it gave you 2 generations with every 1 click here. So for 50 credits, you get 2 songs. All right, so we went over easy, custom, and soundtrack. But real quick, let me just show you this cover feature, free AI song cover generator to create AI covers instantly. Look how fun this is. All these stars, cartoon characters. Yeah, super. And then you can create an AI voice yourself. This is with the subscription upgrade, chorus and duets. So you can add multiple characters. And this is multiple singers singing at the same time. You'll hear the amazing effect of different tone combinations. Super fun. Okay, on the left side, go to music video, and we're gonna test this next, you guys. So I already brought a song or uploaded a song in here, and then you can prompt it, tell the software what type of music video you wanna create. And then we have singing photo. You can make any photo sing whatever you want. So here is audio to MIDI. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, we're going to check this out next, you guys. Well, we're going to check this out after we do the music video demo. And then stem splitter, which separates your vocals from all of your other tracks. So you have multi-track mode, which is separate vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments up to 12 tracks. And then dual track mode is just separating the vocal and then the accompaniment. And the last one here is music hooks, where you can generate pretty sweet content for your social media channels. But like I said before, we're not going to go into this right now. Be sure to like and subscribe because we have a lot of great content coming up. So head over to TopMediai AI to go check this software out. Let me know what you think about it, and I will see you all on the next video.